Greetings viewers and subscribers and welcome to Talk Show Telly. Less than an hour ago, man and man up on the corner painting up and yeah, everything are going good and there comes a heavy breeze, blow off the fruits of the tree, the guineps and you see me. But I tell you that Jamaica alone them things are going. That's why you can't have that Jamaica you suffer, you struggle because you will find something to eat. But when the breeze start to blow, the lights chip out and all them type of things, some heavy wind, may I tell you, are the act of God. Some people get scared, man start to run, but the man righteous stand up and just a smile. Anyway people, check this out. That's when I forgive God the glory, the honor and praise. So when anything like this happen, you can stand firm and just pray in your mind, because you never know the next move. Check it out. Where this come from? Look out, boy, come on, sir. Light down.